Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Spice Garden Recipes. Today I am going to make green masala fish fry. The flavor from green masala gives a unique taste to this Indian cuisine. So let's see how to make this fish masala recipe. These are the ingredients you need to prepare the fish masala. Take a mixer and add a small piece of ginger and 3 garlic cloves. Next I am going to add 3 green chillies and half tablespoon of salt. Then grind it. Add 1 small bowl of coriander leaves into this ground paste. Then add half bowl of mint leaves into this and grind it. Add half tablespoon of black pepper powder and quarter tablespoon of turmeric powder into this. Then add 1 lemon juice. Next I am going to add 1 tablespoon of water and grind it again. Apply the green masala to both sides of the fish. Marinate the fish for 10 to 50 minutes. Heat a pan over a medium flame and add some coconut oil into this. When the oil becomes hot, transfer the marinated fish into it. Fry it for 5 to 7 minutes. When the bottom sides become golden brown, flip over it. Again cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Then flip over it again. And cook it for few minutes. When both sides become golden brown, transfer the fish into a plate. Garnish it with some sliced big onion, lemon and coriander leaves. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.